Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the suspenders accessories. Oh my gosh, I don't have shoes on. So the new suspenders accessories is actually here in the men's section. You can also wear it if you have like if you're wearing a female's body currently. So put that on. Oh my god, you can't even see it if I have a shirt on. Okay, I guess I'll have to remove the shirt. You can change the color of the suspenders if you'd like to, but these are the new Dress to Impress suspenders. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.